Yes.
Wathi ngomile.
Emva kwalokho nikhona kodwa bangcwele. For the scripture to be fulfilled, Jesus said, I am thirsty. Nikhona kodwa bangcwele. uJesu indoda eyabethelelwe esiphambanweni. Nikhona kodwa bangcwele. Kodwa njengoba ibethelelwe ayizange ithi mayifika esiphambanweni ayokhala. Njengoba bekubethelelwe indoda bebayoprofeta esiphambanweni. Nikhona kodwa bangcwele. Bekuyobethelelwa thina kuye. Bekuyobethelelwa ukwahluleka kwethu kuye. Bekuyobethelelwa ibandla kuye. Bekuyobethelelwa iphayini yethu kuye. Besathi uJesu for the scripture to be fulfilled, I am thirsty. uJesu ulambelele man of God. uJesu ulambelele abayomkhonza ngomoya nangeqiniso. uJesu ulambelele abamandla sowaphelile endleleni. uJesu ulambelele abasebahamba bakhathale. But uJesu for the scripture to be fulfilled, ukuze kwenzeke kumbhalo, I am thirsty. I am thirsty for those who are sick. I am thirsty for those who are wounded. I am thirsty for those abashiwe. Ngifuna ibandla enilambele ibandla lifuna mina. Come on, we can celebrate Jesus. uJesu esesiphambanweni